This is the flower garden building set. It's really adorable. It comes in this really cute carrying case. So you can see it's like a caboodle. It opens up and you can put some of them in the bottom, and then it has this piece here so you can put more of the smaller pieces up top. My daughter absolutely loves playing with it. We were playing with it tonight before she went to sleep. But you can see there's all different sizes in the stems. So there's like a shorter one and like a medium size. I think that's the same size. And then there's all different flowers. They fit right in. And you actually have these green pieces are kind of like the garden spaces at the bottom, and they just have these holes in them. They connect together, really cute. You can see we were making a garden earlier, and then once you kind of connect them together like a puzzle, you can put in the stems and the different flowers, and then they can just kind of build upon each other. You can put flowers on top of flowers, or anything you really want. And they can be creative about it, which is super cute. They also have these little like planter pots, so you can put them in those. And then she absolutely loves just putting them all together. So that's a great gift for a child.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.